The first is the can material box structure of the machine. The first is the material box, which is made of stainless steel and equipped with a sensing device for automatic loading, intelligent panel control, touchscreen interface setting, easy operation. For filling, an automatic filling system is used with a stepper motor driving the piston. High filling accuracy and adjustable filling volume. Before sealing, there is a film folding device. Equipped with film placing system, film placing is more accurate. The sealing device consists of heating constant temperature control part and motion execution part. Creates a more efficient and stable system. Finally, it passes through the machine suction cup discharge device. Convey and send out finished materials. This filling machine is an automatic packaging production line that integrates feeding, liquid filling, sealing, and finished product discharging. A seamless combination to meet your needs.